Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2020 Indian Challenger Dark Horse. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2020 Indian Challenger Dark Horse with 10,133 miles passes New York State inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with ABS, traction control, cruise control, TPMS, a keyless ignition, a multifunction 2-speaker audio system, navigation, an electronic windshield, electronic locking luggage, and heated grips. It's been upgraded with a WindVest windshield. Powered by a 108 cubic inch V-twin engine, the Challenger Dark Horse puts 122 horsepower and 128 foot-pounds of torque through a 6-speed transmission. With a 6-gallon fuel tank, the Challenger has around a 200-mile range. It has a 26.5-inch seat height and an 831-pound wet weight. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this bike's charging output at 14 volts, the front tire at 430 seconds, and the rear is at 630 seconds. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. We've posted the service repair order for this bike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. We found no blemishes above normal wear for a vehicle of this year, mileage, and type. This bike has one fob, a clear title, and we have purchased the CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike comes covered under a 90-day, 3,000-mile nationwide powertrain warranty, and additional coverage is available. We also offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades. At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.